Last week, Google released the ability to comment on Microsoft files and other Google Drive or within Google Drive. In this video, I'll share a few things I've discovered that may be helpful to you if you exchange various files with others, especially if they use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or PDFs. A lot of times you might exchange back and forth, and you're working in Docs, they're working in Word, and you just simply want to kind of give some comments and feedback on their document. So let's start with a Word file. So you can see in my Google Drive here, I have a Word file. And when I double click it, it kind of gives me a preview. And I could open and convert it to Google Docs and then, save it back to Word. And then, you have issues potentially with the formatting. So since I don't want to risk that, I'll only need to make some comments to return to the original author. So in the top right corner, you click on More Options or More Actions, which is the three dots. You click on that, and you go to Open New Window. And so this will kind of bring it to the preview menu, but notice in the top right corner, I have a new button called Add a Comment. And you can see comments, and this works pretty much like many of you are used to in Google Docs, but this is in the preview mode. So I just click the plus sign, and it turns on this little notification here. It says highlight text to comment. So you can go in there and highlight whatever you need to, and then over here on the right, you type in your comment. Now, if you want to, you can assign the comment. So I could go in here, maybe I want to assign someone this, so I could go in here, highlight, click comment, and then assign it to someone using the plus sign, and then that person's email address, and check the box to assign it. It's going to trigger an email to them when I assign it. Now, once you have all your comments in there, if you want to, you can again click on More Actions, and you can maybe change your comment notifications. Maybe you want to be notified on every comment, or maybe just the ones you've put in there, or just simply nothing, and you can just go back to this particular document as you wish. Now, if you want to change, the same scenario works in PowerPoint and Excel and pictures and PDFs, where you can mark it up and comment on it. Then you exchange it or send it back to the person that sent it to you, and maybe they work in Word from day to day. So they could save it, download it and edit it in Word, add comments in Word, then put it back up in the Google Drive for you to view it and put comments. So those comments are going to show up both in Word natively and locally on a computer, and then show up again in your Google Drive for those that work in the Google Drive. So anyway, hopefully that kind of gives you a little insight on how the commenting feature now works in Google Drive.